Hi guys, it's Crypto again. Happy Easter. Right, some of you have been asking me what this indicator does, how to get it. I had so many questions. To start with, if you would like to get that indicator, in the description below, I will place the Discord channel link, so do join it. And if you get to my Discord, it's over here. If you get to my Discord, you can basically just go to the general chat and just tag me, Sir Crypto, and ask for a free trial, and I will just let you in, okay? So this is how you get it. And now what this indicator does. Right, so I'll just show you on the clean chart. You can use this indicator for crypto, for stocks, commodities, literally for everything. Right, so just some basic options. If you click on the settings, if you go to inputs, let's just switch it off. If you toggle on the show crypto fair value, this is the main one. This is what it's all about. So this line, let's switch to the daily chart. This line, if the candles are above it, it basically works as a support. So you can see how nicely it bounced right here from it on the daily chart. If it's below, it works as a resistance. You can see it as well. Every time it acts as a support, the line is green. If it's a resistance, it's red. It works on all the frames, on weekly, 8 hours, 4 hours, literally on every single time frame, even 1 minute if you would like. Oh wow, sorry, let me just. Yeah, even on the 1 minute chart. Also, I did combine it with SMA, moving averages. If you go to style, I mean, you can switch all of them on here, but if you go to style, I do suggest you switch those two off and just keep 200, which is quite a bit of support and resistance in itself. Is the yellow one here, and 20, which is right here, is the red one. So basically, what it does, you have two different indicators. You have four moving averages, and you have the smart moving average, which is this one here. It's made of few different moving averages combined with the volume, and there's a couple of more things added to it, and you basically have an average, and it's combined into one thick line. It doesn't work all the time, but works quite well on the bigger time frames. I like to use it on the 4 hour and a daily, sometimes weekly as a confluence as well. Just to show you how it works on stocks. So for example, if we go to, let's say Meta, let's switch to the daily. All right, right here basically, this whole uptrend since December 22, as soon as it got above it and stayed above it, as you can see, it was a constant uptrend. It was just continuing going up. Obviously, you had like few corrections in here, but as you can see, as soon as it breaks down the support, the smart moving averages, it turns red. So it does suggest it's probably gonna be a downtrend. What it likes to do quite often, it looks better on the crypto. As soon as it breaks down, right here, what it likes to do, it likes to go lower. So for example, your chart is gonna go lower. Then what it does, it pushes back up and it retests the smart moving averages. So when you break through the moving average, if you come back, now it's no longer your support, this is your resistance. So quite often, if you miss the trades, you see the candles drop below it, you just wait for the pullback, wait for it to bounce off it just to confirm that this is a new resistance, and you basically short it from here. For example, if you took this trade on Bitcoin, this is where it broke down. If you waited for the retest, if you enter somewhere here, basically, as you can see, downtrend up to this point. Right now we're sitting on this consolidation. I don't know what's gonna happen, whether we're gonna break above it and basically have it as a new support, or yeah, it's hard to say. It's weekend, low liquidity, so I can't really comment on that. I still feel like it's slightly bearish, at least me. But yeah, so yeah, sorry, I've been waffling too much. Basically, what it does, if you stay above it, that's your support. If you break below it, it's gonna be your resistance. So you short whenever you break below it, you long whenever you break above it. Very simple. Like I said, you also have those moving averages. I like to use it with the 220. The 200 is very good. Quite often, whenever you touch this 200 moving averages, you always, maybe not always, but quite often you do have a bounce. I like to use it with RSI. That's a strategy I like to use. Basically, this indicator and RSI, basically just for the confluence. Let me see if there is anything else you guys been asking. No, that's pretty much it. Guys, if you do want to get this indicator, it's free until end of May. The way to get it, like I said, go into the description below in this video, join the Discord, tag me, ask for access, and I will let you in, okay? Yeah, if you're watching this, please leave a like, subscribe, and come back for more. See ya. Bye.